In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your website on the Siteground platform. Whether you're starting fresh with a new site or transferring an existing one, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Siteground's official website by visiting world.siteground.com. This platform is known for its user-friendly features, reliable hosting services, and excellent support, making it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced web developers alike. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Just look towards the top right corner of the page for the login button and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up easily by following their prompts. Now, assuming you've already set up your credentials, enter your username and password and hit that login button. Welcome to your Siteground dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to head to your Siteground account area. You'll see a direct link labeled My Siteground Account, which will take you to the core of your web management tools. This section provides a comprehensive suite of functions that allow you to oversee your hosting settings in one convenient place. It's like mission control for your website projects. Once you've accessed your account, it's time to create a new site. Look for the new website option, which is usually presented prominently on the dashboard. By clicking on this, you open the door to setting up a brand new or migrated site. This intuitive feature guides you through the essential steps, providing options to select your desired web building tools or seamlessly transfer an existing site to Siteground with minimal fuss. As you proceed, Siteground will ask you to choose the domain you'd like to use with your website. If you haven't secured a domain yet, don't worry. You can purchase one directly through Siteground, which simplifies the process by integrating all your site management needs. They offer various domain extensions, so take your time to pick one that best represents your brand or niche. Once you've selected or purchased a domain, the platform will prompt you to finalize your website setup. Depending on your needs, you can opt for a starter website kit, which includes useful design templates and plugins, ideal if you're just beginning. Alternatively, if you're tech savvy and have specific components you wish to employ, you can start with a blank canvas. Siteground's interface takes care of the back-end configuration, ensuring your site is not only live but also optimized for speed and security. This means you can focus more on designing your pages and less on the technical aspects. And there you have it, your website is up and running on Siteground. Remember, if you encounter any questions or run into issues, Siteground's customer support is just a click away, offering 24/7 assistance. With these steps, you're well on your way to building a robust online presence. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.